Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows disk usage. Now, to do that, you need to come to your search bar over here on the start menu. Then go ahead and search for services. After that, go ahead and open up the services. Once you open up the services, you can go ahead and maximize it. Then scroll down, okay? Scroll down until you see this option which says connected device platform. So go ahead and click on this option, right click, then come to properties. After that, come to the startup type, then click on this drop down arrow, then put it at disabled. Once you put it at disabled, click on stop. Okay, then we shall look at another thing. We shall scroll down one more time. Okay, then we shall look for the option which is the sys main, this one over here. Go ahead and right click on it, click on the properties. Also for the sys main, put disabled, then click OK. So once you do that, guys, you'll have fixed the disk usage on your Windows 11. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. We shall meet